Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to manage custom words and phrases on Instagram. Maybe you want to manage your custom words and phrases on Instagram that will be blocked on your comment or on your messages but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage or custom your words and phrases on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, simply tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll be directed into your profile page. In here, simply tap on these three lines on the upper right corner of your screen. And then select settings and privacy. And then in here you have to scroll down and you will see in here hidden words. Tap on these hidden words. Simply tap on the continue. And then in here you will see custom words and phrases. Hide other comments and messages you don't want to see by creating a custom list of words, phrases, and emojis. So now tap on this manage custom words and phrases. And here you can add multiple words, phrases, and add emojis. Your list can be updated anytime. For example, you want to add emojis. For example, this one. Tap on the add button. And as you can see, here is the emoji you add. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage custom words and phrases on Instagram, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can manage custom words and phrases on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.